Hi everyone, my name is Maayan Glikser and I'm a developer and consultant at 500 Tech. Due to the nature of my job, I get to see how many companies, how they work in their day-to-day development. And I've always seen one problem, keeping the client and server teams in sync. There's always a problem where the client teams had to wait for the server to be implemented before they could start working on certain features. I'd like to introduce to you a new tool that will solve that problem. It's called Badass Server Mocks, or in short, BDSM. As you might have guessed, it's a mocking tool. It will allow you to continue working without changing your code. It's easy to get started. All you need to do is npm install and import it into your application. But don't worry, I know some of you are pretty tired, so it's also available via CDN. What you see here is a simple login screen. We try to log in, but our request fails. So let's see how BDSM can help us with that. When we open our request, when we open BDSM, we can see our request panel on the left side. This is the request history for all the requests that went out. Once we click on that request that just went out, we can see the edit screen and mock our request. We enter a response body, select a JSON header preset, and click the mock. Once we do that, when we go back to our application, we can see that our login succeeded. But what about testing error responses? Servers don't always respond with successful responses. So what can we do about that? Don't worry. BDSM introduces something called scenarios. Scenarios are groups of requests that allow you to return different responses based on your current scenario. Now you can duplicate your request, edit the response, and set a status code of 401. Now, finally, we need to disable our old scenario and enable our new scenario. Once we do that and go back to our application, we can see that our request failed. But server responses aren't always immediate. Sometimes they take some time, and we need to test that too. So all we need to do to test that is open our mock again, enter a response delay of 4 seconds, and now we can see a spinner. And now we can see a spinner until our request ends. BDSM allows you to have easy end-to-end testing. You can run your end-to-end test normally without worrying about what the server returns and how to get it to return. All you need to do is import your current scenario before your test. This is a test. This is a test, including Nightwatch. All you need to do is import the scenario, and you're done. BDSM scenarios are also exportable, which means you can put them in your project and sync them with your version control system. That means that even if you went to a commit 2 months ago, you will always have the correct server response for that time, so you can still test that feature out if something was broken afterwards. BDSM is beta tested. We have a number of companies using it already, and we got great feedback. We have many plans for the future, and strive to make your development lives a little bit easier. Thank you.
Thank you, Maayan.